foreign man, I believe, calling out my name in the summer rain. Ciao, amore. Salvador can wait. Now it's time to eat soft ice cream.